What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I got my second Moderna vaccine yesterday, and I ended up getting 102 fever. I was shivering pretty much. I was curled up in the fetal position when I slept last night, and the news is about Moderna is that the vaccine can go after certain strains. They found out that based on some of the evidence that these new strains out there, Moderna vaccine will cover that. So Moderna is a company. This stock is right around $151 a share, and what's interesting is it doesn't distribute a dividend. So I mostly look into Pfizer because of its history. Second dose of Pfizer will be effective and fight off the virus, but Pfizer also distributes a dividend. So Moderna is a very volatile stock. So I don't really invest in Moderna. I find it very interesting about Moderna as a company and what they've done, but it's really interesting to see how this vaccine works with, in the future. So a thing with Moderna stock that you need to be careful with is what happens when this COVID vaccine works and COVID is done. How is Moderna going to operate as a company versus Pfizer, who has numerous pharmaceutical products? So when you invest in Moderna, okay, you want to think and consider what they bring to the table. Now, they have the COVID vaccine. They have, they're fighting on like stuff for cancer with mRNA technology, and that's it. So as of right now, so what happens when more companies end up, as you guys can tell, I see two of you guys on there. I'm pretty stuffed up and tore up from Moderna vaccine, the second one from last night. But what does Moderna bring to the table as an investor? So you got to be careful when you invest in this stock because it's very volatile. It's up and down. Revenue wise, sure, it's going to be up for right now with COVID, but so I'm looking at that too, Kevin. I wonder if mRNA can't be used to fight autoimmune diseases. They're looking at that. So one thing that they found with COVID recently is people who get infected with COVID, that they can actually get type 1 diabetes. So this is why I have said on my channel, it's important that you get vaccinated when you have the opportunity. So, you have to be careful. As you can tell, I have a blanket on me. No fever right now. Luckily, I'm getting better. But let me show you my shoulder, man. This, I don't know if you can see it. It's like really red over here. Really got it. Shoulder's like really red. And, the thing with, I'm still going with Pfizer stock just because it, the dividends that it distributes. And, my philosophy is if you're going to invest something, I want to get something out of it, So, yeah, that's how I feel, Kevin. I always, relate to the people that are kind of players that are dating. I'm not really a player, when it comes to women, but the guy takes a girl out, and he expects something out of it, for, the date, he's expecting action or something like that. That's kind of how I see things with investing in stocks. So that's kind of my philosophy. If I invest in something, I want something out of it. Like what's in it for me? What I want to get a piece of that pie too. So that's kind of what I think about when it comes to investing in Pfizer stock. So, I mean, Pfizer's vaccine's pretty good too. I mean, it's the first dose of Moderna is more effective, but with Pfizer, the second dose is just as effective, right around that. So that's pretty nice. AstraZeneca is coming back. Um, I think Johnson & Johnson will be there. Merrick kind of screwed up, and I think they're out. But I think Merrick doesn't give a bad dividend either. So that's one thing I'm going to look into is Merrick stock and their dividend distribution. It's pretty strong. So that's one thing that I'm highly considering is Merrick stock and see what I can get out of it. Dude, man, I'm going to tell you that last night I was tore up. I'm taking Tylenol right now, which means I can't drink anything. I'm going to need a drink after doing my homework for nurse practitioner school. But um, Moderna's Moderna's not bad. I wonder if somebody will acquire them in the future. It just makes me wonder, if these guys get, an offer they can't say no to and they're a part of someone. It is what it is. I'd rather get this than get a COVID itself. Maybe I had it already. Who knows? But I was tore up back in September 2019. I thought that's when I had it. But it is what it is. So I was going to let you know too. I posted with ABR Arbor Realty Trust. That's pretty high yielding dividend stock. That's one that you might want to consider and look into. Well, weed for me is IIPR. That's my weed stock. Innovative Industrial Properties, nice high yielding dividend, really good dividend distribution. So that's going to be my one. So I'm going to actually start a new live stream probably the next minute or so. Yeah, I'm a little beat up. Not going to lie. A little slow. A little slow, but I'm gonna post. I'm gonna go live in a minute and post a new one. But I wanted to give you guys an update on my COVID. You know what? I'll probably post my M1 Finance video. I mean, yeah, I am kind of sick. I feel like 75%. I don't know if I feel good enough to go live, but I'll probably post a video tonight and just say about my changes to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Um, I am beat up. I was thinking about, since I'm at my parents' house, I was thinking about getting firewood and like having a fire, but I changed my mind. Changed my mind. Yeah, I know. I got to do homework, and it is what it is. So um, go from there. But I'm just giving you guys an update, and if you guys are new to this channel, and if you guys watching, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Um, Man, I'm hopefully tomorrow I'll feel 100%. Gold stocks. I haven't invested in any of them. Um, I know some people that have gone big into silver. There's a guy that I went to high school with that was a millionaire because he put a ton of money in silver and it jumped up when the recession hit. Um, that's one thing I probably need to consider is investing in gold on the side. Probably need to take a nap before I do homework too. But yeah, gold's not bad. I mean, you got to diversify. I mean, I don't know about crypto. I mean, I'm not sold on crypto yet. Maybe I'll like go into crypto. Um, But it's good to diversify. Gold's kind of like one of those things when the market sucks. Um, Pull it out and make a shitload of money, throw it in stocks. I mean, that's probably what I would do with gold. Um, Roth or traditional IRA, I don't know. Maybe if like the economy takes a hit or something, pull it out. But I don't know. I really don't know about. Don't buy crypto if you plan to hold for a. Well, I that is a good that is a good response because think about it. You have a bunch of countries like China, European Union, United States. They all decide like let's destroy crypto tomorrow. That can happen. But I'm gonna get off, so I'll probably post one later tonight. But you guys have a good one.